If you are getting a P0138 error code, this video is going to show you two practical solutions to fix the error code at home. This means the ECM has detected a high voltage signal from the oxygen sensor located in bank 1, sensor 2. Under this circumstance, short distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So what causes this imbalance here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car. Faulty downstream oxygen sensor. Wiring or connector issues. Rich fuel mixture. Dirty or clogged air filter. Faulty catalytic converter. Here is a simple DIY method you can try to solve this problem. MAF Sensor. Carefully remove the MAF sensor from your car and do a quick inspection around wire. Inside often gets dirty and needs to be cleaned. You can spray the MAF sensor cleaner onto the wire perpendicularly to the ground so that it won't damage the MAF sensor. Reinstall the MAF sensor back in the car after it gets dry. Modify the oxygen sensor. You can remove the oxygen sensor from the converter by putting extra space between the sensor and the converter. And now getting the smart plug non-fouler is now having enough space to fit into the oxygen sensor, and then use a 1/2-inch drill to refit it. By doing this, put them together and put back on the catalytic converter. This error occurs in OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford, Volkswagen, Nissan, Honda, Dodge, Toyota, and Chevrolet. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.